Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. In today's busy commercial spaces, warehouses, hospitals, retail floors, keeping them clean isn't just about appearances. It's really crucial for safety, for health. So today we're doing a deep dive into something smart. Buying a used floor scrubber. Our mission. Help you navigate this, save some serious time and money, but without, sacrificing cleanliness.
Yeah, it's a strategy that doesn't get enough attention, I think. Choosing used isn't just about saving cash up front. It's actually a really smart, sustainable investment. See, unlike your car, these commercial scrubbers, they take their biggest depreciation hit, like, right away. First year or two, so a slightly used one offers incredible value, still has most of its working life ahead of it. Plus, you're doing something good for the planet. Reuse, right?
That's such a key point. You're not just buying equipment, it's an investment. A workhorse built to last. I think a lot of people hear used and immediately think worn out. But these commercial machines, seriously, they're often built like tanks.
Exactly. And here's something really beneficial. A lot of reputable places selling refurbished units. They'll actually offer warranties or maybe service guarantees. That gives you peace of mind, almost like buying new.
Ah, okay. So you get some protection.
Right. And it ties straight into sustainable business practices. Less landfill waste, less resource drain. It just makes sense.
Okay, so we're sold on used being a smart move. Now, the big question, what kind of scrubber do you actually need? There are basically three main categories, right? First up, the walk-behind floor scrubbers.
Your go-to for medium-sized areas. Super easy to handle, great for getting into corners, around obstacles. Think smaller stores, school hallways maybe.
Then you've got the ride-on floor scrubbers, the big guys.
Yeah, the powerhouses. Perfect for huge facilities. We're talking airports, massive shopping malls, big distribution centers. They cost more, sure, even used. But they cover so much ground so quickly, the return on investment, it can be excellent. Slashes labor time. Pays for itself.
And the third type? The really futuristic one, robotic floor scrubbers.
Ah, yes, the autonomous ones. Fully robotic, smart sensors, AI navigation, they even do real-time mapping. Definitely the priciest, even secondhand. But for consistent hands-off cleaning, pretty revolutionary.
Okay, so you figure out the type. What features are absolutely critical to look at?
Right, essentials. First, battery life and condition. You need enough runtime, obviously, and check the battery's health. Then, scrubbing width. Wider path means faster cleaning on big open floors.
But maybe not great for narrow aisles.
Exactly. Narrower might be better for maneuverability sometimes. Balance is key. Also, tank capacity. Bigger tanks mean less stopping to refill and empty, more uptime.
Makes sense.
And brush type. It's not just technical jargon. Cylindrical brushes often sweep debris while scrubbing, good for textured floors. Disc brushes. More surface contact. Better for polishing, maintaining smoother floors. Oh, and noise level. Super important if you're cleaning in, say, a hospital or a school during operating hours.
Okay, that's a great checklist. So say you found a machine, you like the specs. What's the absolute must-do before you, pull the trigger? Inspection time.
Absolutely critical. This is how you avoid buying a lemon. Check the battery closely. Any swelling? Leakage? A bad battery replacement can wipe out your savings fast.
Good point.
Look at the brushes. Are they worn right down? Check the water tanks for any cracks, any leaks. Test the control panel, do all the buttons, all the settings work. And here's the big one. Always ask for the detailed service history. Seriously, don't skip this. I've seen people get burned by skipping this.
Okay. Service history is key.
Yeah.
So where do we actually find these machines, these potential hidden gems?
Good places to look. Authorized dealers are often a safe bet. They usually refurbish machines, offer those warranties we talked about, maybe even let you demo one.
Right.
Online marketplaces, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace can have deals, but you must inspect it in person. Get those maintenance records.
Yeah.
No exceptions. Also check out commercial equipment auctions. And sometimes rental companies sell off older inventory, often pretty well-maintained stuff, and brand-wise. Stick with the leaders known for durability. Think Tennant, Aelith, Nilfisk Advance, Kärcher.
Okay, those are the big names.
Yeah, and the advantage there is spare parts are usually easy to find, and they have strong support networks if you need help.
Got it. And roughly, what are we looking at price-wise? Just ballpark figures, walk-behinds, maybe $1,000 to $4,000.
Sounds about right, depending on condition and features.
Ride-ons, maybe $3,000 up to $10,000.
Yeah, in that range, typically.
And robotic, starting higher, like $8,000, maybe up to $20,000 even used.
Yeah, there's still a significant investment.
Okay, so these are still major purchases. Making them last is important. What's the secret to longevity?
It's really just consistent maintenance, no magic bullet, just diligence. Charge the batteries correctly, follow the manufacturer's advice. Empty and rinse the tanks after every single use. Don't let dirty water sit.
Every time. Okay.
Every time. Clean the brushes and squeegees regularly, too. Prevents buildup, ensures good performance, check the filters. Honestly, just setting up a simple monthly inspection checklist, that alone can dramatically extend the machine's life. Saves you big money on repairs later.
So the takeaway here seems clear. Going for a used floor scrubber doesn't mean you're settling for less. If you do your homework, inspect it properly, you can absolutely find a high-performance machine that fits your needs and your budget.
Exactly. And, thinking bigger picture for a second. Reusing these robust machines, it isn't just a smart financial move for your facility. It's a real tangible step towards more sustainable business practices, towards a greener future, really. It's about smart choices benefiting both the bottom line and the planet.
Well said. A smart choice all around. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 10% off your next purchase at Iolith. Just use the promo code IOLITH2025 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2025. Don't miss out.